Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential life hacks to make your journeys smoother. Today's video is all about a question we've all faced. How can I track the status of my passport renewal application? If you're waiting on that all-important document, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother tracking it? Well, passport renewals can take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks, depending on your country and current demand. Knowing the status helps you plan your trips without last-minute surprises. The good news is, most governments have made this process super straightforward online. Step 1. Head to the official government website for passports in your country. For those in the US, that's the US Department of State's travel site at travel.state.gov. Look for the Passport Application Status section. You'll need your application number, which you got when you submitted your renewal. Once you're there, enter your details like your application number, date of birth, and possibly a confirmation number. Hit submit, and voila, you'll see the current status, whether it's in process, under review, or ready for pickup. Some sites even let you set up email notifications for updates, so you won't have to check manually every day. If you're not tech savvy or prefer a personal touch, many countries offer alternative options. For example, in the US, you can call the National Passport Information Center at 1-877-487-2778. Be prepared with your info, as wait times might vary. A few quick tips. Always use the official site to avoid scams. There are plenty of fake trackers out there. If your application is delayed, double-check that you submitted all required documents correctly. And remember, processing times can change, so keep an eye on official announcements. There you have it. Tracking your passport renewal is easier than you think. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.